just gone through. We didn't even know. And at the beginning, it looked like not the blades, but the motors were at the front of the train. And look, there's the end. Yeah, see? Well, guys, that just was a coincidence. It was just a coincidence that happened. Right when I saw this happen, I decided to pull out Mom's phone and start videoing. So, if you like this, like, and let me know of what you want me to do next. More train crash videos, more train videos, you know, anything. Well, goodbye for now.